Hello students, good evening everybody. In integration, exercise 8.8 we are going to start. So from now onwards, all the problems are very important, public point of view, board point of view. So you need to understand clearly. We are going to start methods of solving, methods of integration. So this is the first method we are taking. I'll just explain how to find out. First question, integral dx by x square minus 4x. Here onwards, in the denominator, if you have quadratic expression, we are going to factorize that expression. I'll just tell you the procedure how to factorize. Take the expression first. Okay. First, you have to remember one thing here, that is coefficient of x square always should be 1. So here coefficient of x square is 1, so there is no problem. First write x here. Whatever we have, symbol is minus, so if there is plus, you write plus. Here we have minus, so I am writing minus. So what is the coefficient of x here? 4. Half of coefficient of x we should write, that is 2. Put whole square. Clear? Once again, first write x here. Whatever symbol is there, write as it is. Coefficient of x you take it and write half of the coefficient of x. Since here coefficient of x is 4, write 2 and put whole square. What do you have extra here? Plus 8. Now here 2 is there now. Either it is plus 2 or minus 2. Always subtract number square from the value. Whatever we have here, either plus 2 or minus 2, square of that number you have to subtract. Always subtract whatever we have here. So if you simplify this, plus 8 minus 4. So x minus 2 whole square plus 4. I can write x minus 2 whole square. 4 means 2 square. Now you can write easily. Now our given integral is dx upon x square minus 4x plus 8 equal to integral 1 by x minus 2 whole square plus 2 square dx. See, it looks like standard integration. Already I told you the formulas. 1 by, it looks like a square plus x square, right? Dx. That is 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c. Right? So 1 by a means 2, tan inverse of x means x minus 2 by a means 2 plus c. So therefore integral 1 by x square minus 4x plus 8 dx equal to 1 by 2 tan inverse of x minus 2 by 2 plus c. That is the end of solution. So I'll just explain once again. See, first write x here. Whatever we have variable, we write x. Same symbol we write here. Coefficient of x, take it and half of the coefficient of x we should write here. Since the coefficient of x is 4 here, write 2 whole square plus 8 is there as it is. Now whatever we have here, either plus 2 or minus 2, minus that number whole square we have to write. Right? So if you look at the next question, you can understand procedure. See here. So all the problems hereafter we are going to follow the same procedure. don't worry, you can understand. Integral dx by 5 minus 8x minus x square. Now again it is a quadratic expression, so I'll take the quadratic expression and factorize. In the sense, I'll make it as perfect square. First you take the minus common, because x square coefficient always should be positive and 1. So this will be 8x plus 5 becomes minus 5. So already I told you coefficient of x square is 1 here. So there is no problem. Write x plus as it is. Now what is the coefficient of x here? 8. As I told you, coefficient of x half we should take. 8 half is 4. Put whole square. Now minus 5 as it is. Whatever number we have here, either plus 4 or minus 4, we have to subtract that number whole square. Got it? Here plus 4 is there. Either plus 4 or minus 4, there is no problem. Always this will be minus whole square. Okay? So minus of x plus 4 whole square minus 5 minus 16 minus 21, that can be written as 21 whole square. Now minus you will take inside. This will be x plus 4 whole square. Right? It looks like a square minus x square, right? So integral this formula a square minus x square dx. What did I tell you formula? 1 by 2a log mod a plus x by a minus x plus c. Okay? So if you write now I am taking given integral dx upon 5 minus 8x minus x square equal to integral 1 by square root 21 whole square minus of x plus 4 whole square dx. Now apply that formula. 1 by 2a log mod a plus x by a minus x. So what is a here? Root 21 plus x by root 21 minus x plus c. Now 1 by 2 root 21 log mod root 21 plus x plus 4 by root 21 minus x minus 4 plus c. That is the end of solution. Therefore, integral 1 by 5 minus 8x minus x square dx equal to 1 by 2 root 21 log mod root 21 plus x plus 4 by root 21 minus x minus 4 plus c. Right? So that procedure you need to understand clearly. First write x, symbol as it is. Coefficient of x you take it and half, 4 whole square minus 5 as it is. Whatever we have here in the place of this plus 4 or minus 4, always subtract that number whole square. Okay? Remaining all same. Clear? Thank you.